It's 7 p.m. and it's raining. There is a blackout. I want to share with you a follow-up of my last video, my worst ordeal on my roof. I want to look around and see if there is any rain coming in, because at this moment it is raining. My main reason for sharing this is to let you know that even as you build a house, something else might come up which was not done well. I received comments on my last video, and I want to appreciate each and every one of you who commented on that video. But there was this one which interested me so much. The comment read like this: I think it's also the iron sheet type. I had same problem, repaired and new spots appeared. The fundi said where the nail is inserted is too narrow, and it's also a place where rainwater runs through. I had seen this even in my house. The last time the fundi came and went up there, when he left, there were new spots where the rain was coming in. This is the spot where rain was coming in the other time. So I sat here taking my tea, just looking up to see if I will see any spots coming down. So I was a bit comfortable because the rain was so calm and it was not coming in. So I kept on looking, be careful, and just check if I could see anything. But there was nothing. It was already dark and I went out. But immediately the lights were back, and at least now I could see and check again and recheck again if I will see anything. So I went round again, just check in that corner once more. That's the corner where the rain was coming. It's still raining. So when I looked at this corner, there was nothing. We want to see the roof, how it looks like. I've not completed this house and the ceiling is not yet done. So this is the place where water was coming in, and you can see those are the ridges where water was coming in. At least I was now a bit comfortable in the house. But I will still be checking to see if any water will be coming. But when it's windy, I know it will come in. This was the last time when water was coming in, and I could still remember this. But at this moment, I am okay. At least today it is better. It is raining, but it is very cool. There's no wind, there's no hailstone like yesterday, and this corner was the one which was bringing in water, but now you can see the water is not coming in. So I think it was because of the hailstone, and it was carrying the mabati, a bit of mabati, and then the water could come in. I walked around my village. People are complaining. Everybody was complaining about yesterday's rain. Some people are complaining that their shambas, the soil was washed out or was washed to the river or to the stream, and everybody didn't like what happened yesterday, but it's nature. What do we do? In Kenya, we are being told it's El Nino and it is going to be there. I don't know how long, from now to December, but we hope maybe it is going to subside. At least where we are, it's not bad. but there are people who are suffering, especially those people in Kano. I know those are the places which always we will see water going inside houses and making people not even to sleep. One of my neighbor told me that yesterday she was not around when the rain was raining, but when she came back, she found water in her house. So it's not only me who was affected, other people were affected. Let's hope for the best and that type of rain. Wow, let it not come back. If it's raining, if it's calm and raining so nicely, no problem. This is the aftermath of the rain. It swept the soil up to this space somewhere here, and I've never seen soil being swept to this area, and it was a lot of it. At the same time, I'd planted some flowers somewhere, and it also swept my flowers away. The flowers were only like 2 weeks when I'd planted them. So this is just near the veranda, and all this is soil. This is something I'd never seen around, but today it is cool. It's around 10 in the morning now, and it's cool and the sun is out and it's beautiful. But I know by evening it will be raining again. So at this moment, it's just to come out and enjoy the sun. Since the rain is still on and there's a lot of rain, I decided to prepare somewhere just to plant a few things. I wanted to plant vegetables around. So I want to prepare this space somewhere here and plant something and see what's going to happen. I hope the rain, the hailstones are not going to come back again and destroy. I saw some people, some farms were destroyed, especially when hailstone comes with the rain, it will always destroy the farms. But I want to see what is going to happen because the soil is also soft. These are kales and I want to plant them. They always grow very fast. So that place that I have prepared, I want to plant a few kales around. Thank you for taking your time to be with me. Thank you for watching and let us meet on my next video. Bye-bye.